Imagine being able to verify your identity, income, bank history, or other important data without ever giving it to anyone. That's what zkPass is building, and its token, ZKP, is starting to get a lot of buzz because the zero-knowledge proof ZK sector is predicted to be one of the biggest narratives of 2025 to 2026. Today, we'll cover the following. What is zkPass? Why ZK identity is important? How zkPass works. ZKP token, utility, supply, potential, risks, and long-term strategy. Let's go. zkPass is an identity data verification protocol that uses zero-knowledge proof plus trusted execution environment, TEE. In short, you can prove something without providing the data private, anonymous, secure, used for KYC, DeFi, Web3 login, on-chain identity, credit scores, and more. Prove you are 18 plus without uploading your ID. Prove you have an active bank account without providing a screenshot. Prove you have a certain income from Web2 data, like Binance, PayPal, Coinbase. Prove you're not a bot without facial verification. This makes zkPass an identity solution without compromising privacy. zkPass consists of three main components: PCD, private credential data, your personal data from Web2, bank, exchange, email, social accounts. TEE, trusted execution environment, a dedicated processor inside the device that generates secure cryptographic proofs. ZKP, zero-knowledge proof, creates proof that certain data is correct without revealing the data. No data is stored. No data is sent. All verification happens on your device. On-chain KYC without data leaks. DeFi protocols can verify real accounts without knowing identities. Web3 login with Web2 account. You can log into dApps using Google Binance, Twitter Bank, without providing real data. Sybil-resistant airdrops can target real users, not bots. On-chain credit score DeFi can determine lending limits based on proof of income without looking at sensitive data. Compliance for institutions can enter DeFi with privacy verification. Narrative ZK identity is predicted to be big in 2026 as regulatory and on-chain KYC become increasingly important. Total supply, 1,000 Ts ZKP. ZKP is used for paying for ZK verification, rewards for validators, governance staking, premium access for dApps and integrators. The more dApps using zkPass, the greater the demand for ZKP. The ZK narrative continues to rise. On-chain KYC regulations are a huge opportunity. Real products, not just concepts. ZK identity, base, MOS, ZK rollup for daily utilities. The ZK narrative is growing rapidly. Institutions and developers are starting to focus on the privacy plus compliance hybrid. Real use cases, not theory, already used by many Web3 projects, DI'd apps, and DeFi. Users can monetize identity proof without leaking data. CEXs can verify users using zkPass without sharing data. 2026, EOL's on-chain identity era. More applications will need real user verification. The ZK narrative is still new. High volatility, competition, WorldCoin, Polygon ID, ZK Sync ID, Semaphore. TE. Centralization is still a debate. Token utility must align with adoption. If you want to enter, treat it as high potential, medium high risk. zkPass is one of the most mature ZK identity projects on the market today. Solid technology, real use cases, great narrative product already running demand-driven ZKP could be an identity token that's different from just ZK Hype Layer 2. But, honestly, as always, DIY or don't FOMO. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like and subscribe. Write a comment. Will ZK identity be the big narrative of 26?